Hi there, this is Christine with the Ottawa Carleton District School Board's Outdoor Education Centres, here today to show you a quick and easy craft that you can do with your child or students to create a sit-upon or a sit mat that they can use when participating in any outdoor learning. What you're going to need to gather are some newspapers, some tape, either packing tape or duct tape, a couple of milk bags, and a Sharpie for labeling and decorating. I prefer to use the milk bags inside out. It doesn't matter which way you do them. But what we're going to do is just take your milk bag and stuff it with some newspapers. It tends to be a little bit easier sometimes if you fold them in half to get them in the bag. And then flatten or squish them out so they kind of match the seams as best you can of the bag. Now, I prefer to use milk bags other than grocery bags because they're a little bit thicker. They're used to supporting heavy things. And it depends on how much newspaper you have, how thick you want to make it. This is your insulating barrier between your child and the ground. So that was about maybe 2 newspapers. I could put in a little bit more if I wanted, but this is a fairly decent thickness right now. There we go, a little bit more. Now what you're going to want to do is this is where you're going to want to tape the first bag down. So for this one I might use packing tape or duct tape. Either one works. Packing tape tends to be a little bit easier to get a hold of. I'm just going to take a small piece and I'm going to tape that edge down. Now what I want to do is I'm actually going to insert the taped or open end first. So we're creating that extra seal. This can again be a little tricky, but it should slide in right to the edges, flattening it down. And again, we want to tape it shut once again. Now, this is where it can sometimes become the fun decorating portion. Sometimes you can find different kinds of duct tape. Today I just have plain black. It's not as fun. But if you have different types of duct tape, students can wrap the mat with it, or you can use your Sharpies to decorate. But at this point, you just want to make sure you have a good seal. So I would likely do more than one piece of tape, sometimes going as far as wrapping it around multiple times. Making sure that it's fairly watertight and airtight. Now, once you have this part done, this is where the fun can begin. You can use stickers, different colored duct tape, or even just different colored Sharpies, the more permanent marker, to write their name on it. So I might write Christine B so that I know it's mine, knowing that the Sharpie marker labeling might come off over time with washing. Because these are plastic, they are non-porous, and you can wipe them down with disinfectant, Lysol wipes or whatever, after each use or at the end of each day. The marker might come off, but that's where your fun types of designs with stickers or different types and colors of duct tape might come in handy so children know which one is theirs. There's your quick and easy